2040 strategy. Turn the volatility stop. Call the trade on the 60-minute. This is my 10-minute entry. Here's the 60-minute. I got in here. Here's my entry. Is this blue line right here? The actual trade call entry. What happened is it called the trade, pulled back, went down here. Now, like I said before, you can enter on a signal, but you're gonna have a huge drawdown. This drawdown was like 111 pips. Candle closed and it pulled back 122 pips. Now your stop was above here. You don't want a huge drawdown like that. Just go down to the 10-minute time frame and look for an entry. And you have so many times to enter on this trade. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3 times to enter on this trade.
Target filled.
There you go. Target filled. Now we have no risk in the trade. On the last units. And that's how I trade the volatility stop. 60-minute. I mean, you're not going to win all trades, but if you just stay consistent and do the same thing over and over again, you'll achieve great results. I will update you later on this trade. Give me an update on the pound New Zealand trade. Now we're currently up 146. We got a couple more units running, and you can see here the big bearish candle. I had entered up here. That was my first entry. This is the trade call entry. You see it took the 100 pip target, but if you just let it pull back and go to the smaller time frame, I got in here, I made 60 pips and it just pulled back here, stopped me out on the last 3 units, but I was able to capture 60 pips, and then all I did was just re-enter again because it's on its way down. Got a lot of resistance here, still below the downtrend line and the volatility stop line. Now you can see here 142 pips, already booked the 60-100 on the second entry, and currently up on other pairs on the JPY 141. That was a 2040 trade, not even a volatility stop trade. That's why it's so powerful. You get the Euro New Zealand. It almost took the 100 pip target again right here, but I got a better price, so I had entered this trade a couple of times too. You see right here, it just barely made that 60 pip target. Pull back, re-entered again. We got the pound Aussie. That's at $1.80. It was almost at 200 pips. You see it's pulling back. It's in this demand zone. You can exit out of this. So when it hits these demand zone, they're pretty strong. I have a 240-minute demand zone. So it gets deep into this demand zone, it's going to pull back up 179 on the trailer.